welcome back to another video. Today we do have the parking lot. So guys, they got the parking lot sale back at Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube works the platform, by subscribers and likes. I guess the Inside Track Club members, they do get an early access, a few days back, or 3 days ahead of everybody else. But it starts for everybody else. It starts this Friday. For Inside Track Club, it's already active. So make sure you guys check out some of these really good deals. Actually, prices that we haven't seen these for years, even before the pandemic. So guys, definitely check it out on some of these great deals. And I do have some of the newer tools like this in the Bauer modular storage system here. Like this one's $34.99. It's a modular storage organizer, so not too bad. I do apologize for the noise on the background. There's a few dogs on the next door. I can't control that. As you guys do see, it does have a gasket, and it does have some organizers and some metal latches. I really like that. So $19.99 for the storage tote, $34.99 for the modular organizer, and then for the small modular toolbox, $29.99. Large modular toolbox, $39.99. The rolling toolbox, $69.99. This is actually a pretty decent kit. However, if you like shopping at a Home Depot and stuff like that, you might probably want to go with rigid. Personally, I would go with rigid if you want a budget professional professional modular storage system. This one's actually not very similar to rigid. Maybe this one's a little bit cheaper than rigid. The only thing I don't like about these is the locks on the sides and the bottom toolbox. You guys are gonna see why. Because actually it took me a while before I could get this off. I don't like the latches on the sides. They get some nice casters there. So casters are pretty nice. The build quality on these it's actually really good. It's like I said, it's very comparable to rigid or the Craftsman. Pro Stack or whatever you want to call it. But as you guys do see, it has the latches on the side. I do not like that. I personally like to lift the box like a lid. But it does have an organizer there at the bottom. So, alright, so yeah guys, they're calling it the Spring Savings Extravaganza. It's basically a black parking lot sale from before. Those are killer cards, guys. Those 5-drawer colored cards there, those are really nice. I've had those for years. I ended up selling mine because you guys know, if you guys follow the channel, I did buy a 52-inch toolbox on clearance. Yeah, but there's a lot of good deals here, and I'll go over some here at the store. The ones that I personally think they're better. Like that heat gun's pretty good. That jack is pretty good. I'll show you guys the jack. The winch is pretty good if you do some sort of off-roading. If you do off-roading all the time, go with the better one that they have here. They do have a better one than that one. But that one's okay if you do some sort of, off-roading every now and then. The generator is pretty good. The shop light's pretty good. The reciprocating saw, it's bare bones. It's basically for a homeowner, for the house. Somebody that doesn't want to invest in a tool line. So, alright, let's start with the cart here. So this is the one that the color that I used to have, but this is not exactly it. This is, you guys do see, this is 4-drawer cards, $199. Well, it's on sale from $219. But if you guys look at the sale, these are really good quality actually. So if you guys are interested in getting something like this, Harbor Freight is the way to go. Here's some more sales that they got. They got some welders here. It's a 125 amp welder, and then you got a 120. So they got different welders here. Well, there's the card right there for $199. That's a really good deal on this one. This is the one that I used to have. This is the 30-inch tool card. I like everything. There's nothing wrong with this card actually. It's very well built. Even for the professional, if you already got a box, you got a red box, a blue box, or green, whatever, you can just come here and buy your tool card for $200. It's gonna be on sale this weekend only. Regular price is going to be $269. Guys, we haven't seen that $200 price in like years. So make sure you guys drop by and pick one up. They do have all these colors. So guys, I was actually looking for some accessories for my toolbox. I've been buying accessories here for my toolbox, so that's a good place for you guys to buy accessories, toolbox. And they got this power strip there, matching colors. All right, so they got the American flag here is a $5.99. I believe it's not made in the USA. They do have one that's made in the USA. They got the jumper cables here, $14.99. And 20. As you guys do see, some of these labels are in blue. It says Inside Track Club now available. But you know, regular, like I said, regular people that don't have that Inside Track Club, they can start coming in Friday and receiving their deals. Basically, all these deals, all these prices for these deals on Friday. So $9.99 for the HBOP. And then you got this string trimmer, $31.99. It works pretty good. The only thing I don't like, it's corded. There's the winch there. It's actually pretty decent, pretty good. $2.99. That's a good deal if you want to save up some money. It's not going to be the fastest winch. Just keep that in mind. These are the jacks, guys. This is the 3-ton, $119. Killer deal on this one, guys. I do have the Daytona version of this thing. This thing's a beast. I have no complaints whatsoever. Guys, if you guys want to ever buy a jack, make sure you come to Harbor Freight. You're going to get your best bang out of your buck. Especially on these on sale. These are crazy, crazy deals. Like I said, stuff that we haven't seen before. Alright, these are the new racing jacks. If you guys want something lighter, something more portable. These are all aluminum floor jacks. Yeah, that's one thing that they have. They have a bunch of selection here. These are the new ones. Daytona is supposed to be the better brands. But they're the same. They're just, you know, they're nicer colors and a little bit more features in them. So $129 for the 1.5 ton. And then you guys did see the 2-ton before. Alright, you got the Bauer vacuum. This is very similar to the Ryobi. This is a newer tool. It does come with some accessories there. You got a light here for $27.99. This is a new section, by the way. So $27.99 for the 2000 lumen. Then you got Warrior oscillating tool, multi-tool, $29.99, corded. You got some earmuffs, foldable, $8.99. So you guys will see there. And then you got a light here that you can, I guess you can hang, you know, in your neck. $29.99, pretty decent brand. It's actually a really good brand. I have no complaints about that brand. I've had several different flashlights from them. Alright, you got the Gordon folding utility knife, $4.99. Not too bad. Pretty simple, but it works. This is a good brand. It's actually not too bad brand. This is looks like a lock, a key lock, $19.99. Alright, this is the painting gun that's on sale, or the painting machines on sale for $1.99. It's down from $2.49. I believe some of the parts are available with some aftermarket parts from other brands, like the gun and all those. So same thing with this. This one's a portable paint sprayer, $154, down from to $129. And guys, Bauer does have a brand nailer. I think this thing's new. Haven't seen this before, so looks very similar to the Ryobi. So if you're already in the Bauer line, so $89.99 is going to get you in. And if you guys can find a coupon, that's the depth gauge right there. You guys can find a coupon, you guys are going to get this cheaper. So there's always 10% off or 20% off coupons, even 25% off coupons. Those are the days that you have to come by and stock up on these things. 18 gauge cordless brad nailer. So this is and this if you don't want to break your back, you know, you're moving, you know, furniture, heavy stuff around the shop, for $9.99. It's going to be on sale this weekend. You got some ammo cans there, metal ammo cans, by the way. I do have some of these. They work pretty good. $14.99. A very heavy duty. You got $8.99 for the weatherproof protective case. These are a smaller one for maybe for a camera or a laser measure or a laser level or something like that. So that's a pretty nice little case. It was a little hard to open it, maybe because it's brand new, but pretty nice. It does come with a foam insert there so you guys could, like I said, it was hard. Guys, you guys keep asking about the jaw horse that I use when I do those versus videos or those drill, videos. This is the one that I use. I actually got this for like $150, I believe. So when it goes on sale, it goes to like $150. So definitely check it out. Even with the coupons, it's a great deal on that one. Alright, got some more utility knives. $1.99, so very cheap. If you want to throw these everywhere in every car or something. I do have this brand. I don't have this chainsaw, but it's down to $169 if you guys are into this line. I do have a mower. That thing's amazing. It doesn't have a lot of features like your top of the line Eagles and all that, but it does have a lot of power. It's an 80-volt mower. It hasn't let me down yet, and I put it through. I do have a 1/4 acre lawn, so just you can imagine how much I go through, and it's actually very decent. You get the hose contractor grade, so this is thicker, so more durable. $39.99. And then I gotta check some of these out because I've used the other one, the one that looks like this but it's green. The one that's on top, that one sucks. Don't buy that one. I gotta try these and see if they work. The other one just leaks everywhere. After a month sitting out there in the sun, it just started leaking everywhere. But these seem to be pretty decent. I'm gonna go ahead and try these. I did not buy some, but I did forget to buy some, but I'll get some. I'll try them out for you guys. And this is a pretty good deal, guys, on these. Even this one, sometimes it drops to $9. That was for the smaller TVs. The bottom one, you can hang up to an 80-inch TV, 37 to 80-inch TV. For $37, that's a really good deal, guys. Make sure you guys have a TV. And then Hercules line, it's one of the better lines that they get into on this professional level, as they call it here. But yeah, the batteries are really cheap, and they are Samsung cells, so they got a big selection of tools here. I believe if you buy the tool, the battery, and the charge, you get $25 discount. All right, so this one, impact wrench, $89.99. It's down to $89 from $99. I do have this thing. It's the Beast. It's not what it claims. I know it claims it's like 500 pounds, but it's not. It's like normal, like 300 or something like that. I do have a video on that one, so if you guys want to check it out, I'll see if I can link it up above so you guys can check it out. And they got a drill here and then a hammer drill for $59.99. So if you're in a budget, you want something for the house, there you go. $14.99, 11 1/4 machete. So this is actually a pretty decent quality on this thing. I do have to try it out. I haven't tried that one specifically, but I know the Gordon stuff, it's a little better than what it used to be, especially with this new tools. And then they got the angle grinder. If you're into the Hercules line, they've got this brushless angle grinder. They've been coming out with a lot of brushless tools lately, so they've been trying to keep up with the Milwaukee's, DeWalt's, and all those at cheaper prices. And then this is the heat gun. That's for $9.99. Like I said, on this parking lot sale. So make sure you guys check it out if you guys need a heat gun. And then you got a pickup rack for $249. They do sell trailers, by the way, if you guys don't know. They got all kinds of accessories. This is the place to come. And here's the jack again, guys. That's it for today. Just a quick video of this parking lot sale. Hopefully, I'll have time this weekend to swing by and show you guys if I get anything. Yeah, guys, the generators is the way to get. I used to have that 4000 generator, the first one that was there. That's a really good deal. Anyways, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.